is up, guys, and welcome back. Lately I've been messing around with the tunings of my guitars, just kind of something new, throwing some stuff around, and I wanted to share with you an old popular hack that people do with their guitars. Try it out, it's pretty cool. This video is intended for the new to the intermediate guitarist. If you're advanced, you probably already know this. What we're going to be doing is taking the strings from a 12-string guitar and putting them onto a 6-string guitar. I like to call it the Pink Floyd tune, and I'll show you why in a second. This is also referred to in slang as the Nashville guitar or the Nashville 12-string. Now this is going to come in super handy if you have more than one guitar, because the downside is you do have to restring your guitar for this one. Alright, we all know the standard guitar tuning, but I like to play around with them like I said. So this is the open E tuning, which when you strum it, just open, it's an E. I also call it the Black Crowes tuning for this reason. And of course the standard 12-string. It's kind of what we're going for without having one. The way the 12-string works is that it has 6 pairs of strings that are all tuned the same way a normal guitar would be. It's paired with the higher octave string, so you have an E, D, so on, until you get to the 2 last ones and they're the same. So we're going to take all the small ones and put them on the 6-string and get rid of all the big ones, leaving just the higher octaves. Another bonus about this is when you get done, and you want to switch it back, you've already got another standard set of strings because you never use the original size. Alright, we got it all tuned up. See what it sounds like. Eerie high sound, and actually the G string, the 4th string down, is now the highest string on the guitar. You can still play chords with it. Just gives you some new tone to play around with. But you want to be careful. You don't want to take this thing straight to Pound Town because they don't have their paired up strings and they're real small. So that's one thing you need to note. It's that tone that just lives in this thing, brings that eerie tone right out from that studio recording where they use this exact tune. Let's try some little scales and stuff, see what that sounds like. Now for the test to bring it back around, let's go back to the Hotel California, try to play it on this thing, see if we got the 12-string sound. You know what this thing reminds me of? Reminds me of this bad boy right here. It's like it's out of tune, but it's not. You can't live out here without a jar of sweet pickles, some cornbread, and one of these. Hope you liked the video. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Check out my channel. Got over 100 videos on there, all different kinds of stuff. Make sure you check back for future content. Warm weather's coming, lots of fun stuff planned. Check back, check back. Hey guys, that's all I have for today. Thanks again for watching. Take care. Later. Peace. Got your bumper, bro!